Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to install the Norton Racing quick release gas cap on Max Van's Moto America Ninja 400. Okay, I already know what you're going to say. Dude, you've already put gas cap on this bike. You're right, we have. We're not necessarily removing the one that's on there and replacing it with this because it's better. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to give you all a little insight to the quality of the Norton products, right? We're excited to partner up with these guys. I love Jesse and his commitment to racing, right? Him and Jeremy are doing a great job really funneling all their efforts towards these smaller bikes, these smaller displacement bikes. It helps get people started in racing, and some of the best racing we have in Moto America right now, I think, is the SportbikeTrackGear.com Moto America Junior Cup. So with that said, let's dive right in. This is a super simple install, right? If you're going to be going to the racetrack, this is a must-have. The last thing you want to be doing is using your key when you're at the track. This is part of a whole process, right, of making the motorcycle keyless. We've also eliminated the ignition on Max's Junior Cup bike with a Woodcraft key switch eliminator. So let's take a look at it. This is our first, it was a first install with any of the Norton stuff. There's the hardware included. All right, there's the gasket. Action on the cap. It's real nice. This stuff's all made here in the US, which I think is pretty cool. Drops in place real nice. When you're installing something like this, what you want to do is, let's get all the fasteners just kind of run down so they're making contact, right? You never want to run one down all the way and then put torque to it and then move on to the other fasteners. You want this to be even and progressive. Kind of drawing it down. Super basic install, fits great. The action on the cap feels really good. There you have it. It's our first official Norton Motorsports install. Many more to come. We got a lot of stuff for this bike. Some of the parts are going to be trans parts that when we take our motor over to Hanshaw at Hanshaw Racing Engines, he'll be installing that stuff for us. We'll do a brief overview video to give you an idea of what we're doing with that and why we're doing it. We do have a couple other pieces coming up. We got some some levers to install. We have a softer throttle spring. When you put a quick turn throttle on the bike, you get kind of a harder throttle pull, right? And it'll be less rider fatigue if you have a softer spring in there. They have options available for that at Norton. We have one here for the Ninja, and that'll be one of our upcoming installs.